Hello students, welcome to my English grammar classes. Today let us discuss adjectives of class 9 English grammar. In the last class we have already discussed what is an adjective, what is the definition of adjective, what are the types of adjectives and what are the uses of adjectives. In this class we shall discuss the order of adjectives and the comparison of adjectives, which is most important. So let us discuss.
Hence, we know that adjectives are the noun describers. They are the words which qualify or modify the nouns. And today let us discuss the order of adjectives and the comparison of adjectives. We know there are different types of adjectives. Okay, so how to put them in order? If more than, we know most of all we use only one adjective before a noun. If we use one adjective before a noun, there is no problem. If we sometimes we may need to use more than one adjective, in that case what should we do? If there are more than one adjectives are there to use before the nouns, what should we do? Let us discuss order of adjectives. So adjectives usually tell us about something or somebody. Let us know first the types of adjectives. Let us discuss some of our adjectives are opinion adjectives and some of our adjectives are factual adjectives. So let us discuss what are the opinion adjectives, the adjectives which gives the opinion. For example, good, bad, ugly, nice, useful, wonderful, naughty, etc. These are the adjectives of opinion. Okay. So, and the factual adjectives are of different types. Let us start first size. We know adjective of size big, a big table, small room, medium, enormous, huge, teeny, little, etc. These are the adjectives of size. Then physical quality, heavy. The table is heavy, light, hard, soft, etc. Then age you know, old, an old man, young, new, ancient, recent, medieval, antique, etc. are the adjectives of age. So shape you know, a round table conference, oval, triangular, conical, irregular, etc. are the shapes. And the adjectives of color. The adjectives which describes the color, red ribbon, green shirts, black diamonds, red, green, black, white color. These are the adjectives of color. Then place of origin, Indian, Indian people, Chinese toys, tropical, equatorial, polar, sea, pond, river, etc. These are the adjectives of place of origin. Then let us discuss some material, adjectives of material. Iron, iron, gold chain, silver, copper, earthen, wooden, wood, bamboo house, stone, steel, etc. These are the adjectives of material adjectives. Then some adjectives are purpose, walking stick, drinking water, washing machine, cleaning, living, etc. are the adjectives of purpose. So this is the accepted order. So whenever you keep in mind, whenever you have to use more than one adjective of this, then you have to put them in this order that we have discussed. This is the order of adjectives. First opinion adjective, then factual adjective, then purpose adjective. That is the, so in that case we have to put adjectives in an accepted order that you can keep in mind, that is SASCOM. SASCOM means first origin, no opinion, then size, then age, then shape, then color, then place of origin, then material, then purpose. This is how you can use the adjectives in proper or correct order. You have a nice little home. You see, nice here is a opinion adjective. Nice and little here is a size. So, little opinion adjective comes first, then factual adjective comes. This is an old Indian wooden chair. Old is, you know, this is an adjective of age. Then Indian is the adjective or the place of origin, and wooden is the material. So adjective of age comes first, then the adjective of a place of origin, then adjective of a material. So this is an old Indian wooden chair. Okay. This is a nice aluminium walking stick. You know, nice is an adjective of opinion adjective, so it comes first. Then aluminium is the adjective, material adjective, so it comes next. Walking, we know the purpose. Stick, the purpose of use of stick. Stick is walking, so purpose, adjective of purpose, it comes next. So this is a nice aluminium walking stick. The adjectives are in correct order. So whenever question comes to put the adjectives in use, when we use adjectives more than one in a sentence or before a noun, so we have to put them in this order. Okay. So using comma or and between adjectives, we do not usually use comma or and between adjectives. They are rather used in an accepted order as we have already discussed. An old wooden dining table, no comma, no and is there. But when a adjective of the same adjective is used twice, like a black and white photograph, black and white are the adjectives of color. When we use two color adjectives before a noun, we join them with and, black and white photograph. When you use two or more adjectives after a link verb, we put and before the last adjective and a comma between others. The boy was hot and tiring. The day was hot, humid and tiring. Okay. So you see, let us discuss the important thing, that is degrees of adjective, comparison of adjective. Degrees or comparison of adjective. We usually compare people or things for some of their qualities or characteristics. How? Lata is a tall girl in the class. This is positive. No comparison is there. Lata is taller than Sita. This is comparison there. Comparison between two persons for the same quality of tallness. So Lata is compared with another girl, Sita, for her tallness using the comparative degree. Then Lata is the tallest of all the girls in the class. This is superlative degree. So Lata is compared to the girls of her class for her tallness and found to have the tallest one among them. This is called a superlative degree. So we know the degrees of adjective, positive, comparative and superlative. So form of adjectives in comparative and superlative degree. And you know shorter adjectives are strong, cheap, tall, cold. These are shorter adjectives. Adjectives with one syllable. So they are changed to comparatives and change superlatives by adding ear and superlatives by adding est. Strong, stronger, tall, taller, cheap, cheaper, cold, colder. So steel is stronger than wood. Here is stronger, the comparative. Strongest, tallest, cheapest, or coldest. Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. Okay. So this is the shorter adjectives are changed to comparative and superlative degree with the help of er and est. In case of longer adjectives or more than one syllable, famous, beautiful, confident, etc. More than one adjective syllable. So add more before adjectives. How? Famous, more beautiful, more confident. Shepherd is more beautiful than Anita. Now add most before adjectives when longer adjectives are there. How? Most famous, most beautiful, most confident. Tendulkar is the most famous cricketer of India. Okay. So you see adjectives ending in a consonant and y. You see heavy consonant V is there, after that Y is there. Dirty, consonant T is there and Y is there. Dirty, itchy, funny. And drop Y and add ear. Heavier, dirtier, easier, funnier, etc. A car is heavier than a bike. Drop Y and add ist, heaviest, dirtiest, yet easiest, funniest. Ashok is the funniest boy in our class. And some irregular adjectives are there, good, bad, far, etc. And they can be comparative by better, worse, further, like this. Superlative best, worst, farthest. For example, Rama is better than her brother. My health is worse than yours. This is the best thing I have done. Your performance was the worst this time. So these are the irregular adjectives. They are in comparative and superlative degree. Their form is completely changed. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Far, farther, farthest. Okay. So you see, comparing equals with the as plus adjective plus as and so plus adjective plus as. Sometimes we may compare two persons or things having equal characteristics. How? Bibhu is fat, Sudhir is equally fat. So how can we compare? Bibhu is as fat as Sudhir. This bag is big, that bag is also equally big. We can compare them by and say this bag is as big as that. Okay, for negative comparisons you can do also the same way. Raja is tall, Subodha is not tall like Raja. We can compare Raja and Subodha and say Subodha is not as tall as Raja or Subodha is not so tall as Raja. Okay, so in case of a double comparative, how can you use? I am getting fatter and fatter. The evening became darker and darker. She looks more and more beautiful day by day. In above sentences, we intend to say that something is changing or was a process of change. So we repeat the comparative. Okay. So in the above sentences, we intend to say that something is changing. Is getting fatter and fatter means it is changing the process of change. The evening became darker and darker. So we repeat the comparative. Okay. So let us, I think you have already have a clear-cut idea about the order of adjectives and the comparatives or the degrees of adjective. So let us do the activity 1 of this. Fill in the blanks with the suitable adjectives from the blank brackets. The higher you go, the cooler you feel. Okay. Question number 2. The faster you walk, the earlier you reach. She has a little old red car. It is an interesting old Persian painting. The Himalayas are the highest mountain in the world. The pain is mightier than the sword. Prevention is better than cure. Your handwriting is as bad as his. Jolie is not so old as Lily. Is getting fatter and fatter. Okay, and so you have completed adjective. Read your textbook, grammar book of class 9, and see the video again and again. Write down. Okay. Thank you very much.